Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we have for sale a Honda Zoomer 50, and we've kind of become notorious for these little 50cc scooters here in Ireland. And this one is a little bit special. It has a few extras on it. It's in the most desirable colour as well, in this black on black throughout the whole bike as well. It has the underseat kind of netting on it, so you can store stuff under the seat more easily. It has an aftermarket seat on it as well, and it's got the full aftermarket exhaust system on it too. Brand new front and rear tyres as well, and it all round very nice and clean little Zoomer. Just bear with me, it has started just to rain here, so it's a little bit miserable out. But we'll go through the bike from front to rear. So the front tyre here, as you can see, still has a sticker on it. It's brand new. Going up through the front mudguard, there's no marks to be seen either onto the front portion of the battery covering and the likes. Also no marks on it to be seen, as well as the footrests. Here you usually get on the side lots of scrapes and people kind of not treating it the way it should do. It also has a side stand and a main stand. That's not a standard side stand, is an additional extra. Nice black Zoomer sticker on the side here. Engine casings along with the kickstart, all very nice, no marks. And same going into the rear and the rear mudguard. There is a slight mark here. I'll get into it, move the rain over. One very slight mark here, but not even a scuff. It's not scuffed or anything, so it's very hard to see. Onto this very nice full exhaust system. It's a full exhaust system, as you can see, all the way through into the engine. And nice carbon blacked out edition exhaust as well, with the nice chrome add-on onto the frame of the bike as well. So let's just start her up before we get into torrential rain. Oh yeah, by the way, it's 24,000 kilometers. So if I just start her up, it sounds great. So if you're interested in this little bike, it will be for sale on our Done Deal page and our Facebook page at Retro Bikes Dublin.